Hey friends, it's Tracy. In this video, I am going to share a summer arrangement. Now, this is something that I do every season, and this is going to be going outside on my 15-year-old nephew's gravestone. I lost him back in 2018, and so each season my sister-in-law buys flowers in a container, and I put it together, and I just share my tips of just my ideas here on my channel, and give tips of what I do to secure everything and actually weight it down so that it doesn't blow away. All right, here are the supplies I'm using for this floral arrangement. And this is the container I'm using. It's a galvanized bucket that came from Hobby Lobby. And so I need to weight it down because this is going to be outside on my nephew's gravestone. So I need to make sure that it's not going to tump over or get blown away. And so I have some Aleene's tacky glue as well as those asphalt rocks that I have access to, and so I just make sure that they are glued in there, and I just use the Aleene's tacky glue to weight everything down, or actually glue everything down. Then I have some styrofoam. I just get, since this type of container, I just get the dry styrofoam from, I think this one came from Walmart, and so I just cut it down with my serrated knife and just glue it into the bucket. Now for the flowers, what I do is I just leave them all in a bunch. I do not cut them apart, and so then since I have 3 bushes, I just put one in the middle, and then I put one on each side. Depending on what flowers my sister-in-law chooses will depend on kind of how I put it together. So then there I have 3 in there like that. And I don't worry about pushing them or spreading them out until I'm finished. All right, so then I'm using some Spanish moss as well as some U-pins, and the U-pins are going to kind of hold the Spanish moss into the styrofoam so that like wind and that kind of thing will not blow it the arrangement apart or blow things out of the bucket. And so I just continue to put some of this Spanish moss in here, and then just stick in the U-pins just to push everything down, and the U-pins go very nicely into the styrofoam. And I will just continue to put the U-pins in and the greenery and that kind of thing. Then I will spread out all of the flowers like the bouquet, and just make sure that everything looks really nice. I don't do this until the end, just so that everything is kept well and that it is all put together. And so if you want, there is an option you can spray with some kind of protectant, since this is going to be outside, that kind of thing. You can get that on Amazon or any kind of floral shop or that sort of thing. You can also use hairspray. That's what I've been told, that you can use that for a protectant. But anyway, I haven't had any issues. I do have a link in the description if you would like to read about my nephew a little bit. And yeah, miss him every day, and especially at family occasions. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate you, and talk to you in the next video. God bless.